Hello, my tiny tots. How are you doing today? I hope you're doing fine and taking good care of yourself. So, welcome back to Learn Forward from Hi Kids, Feathered Cap. In today's class, it's a very different and interesting topic for you, and that is problem solving. You know how to solve a problem? I will tell you about that. Okay, let's start our today's class. You have to take the missing piece to solve the puzzle. Now, it's a picture, beautiful picture here, right? But one piece is missing. Now, there are three options given to you, 1, 2, and 3. You have to find the correct option that which picture will come in this puzzle, and then this picture will be completed. Okay? So tell me, if this picture goes here, will it be a good thing? No. Okay, so this is not the missing piece. Next is this. If this picture goes here, it will be a complete puzzle. No, again, it's a wrong picture. Last one is this. Yes, because in this picture we can see the legs of this fairy, of this girl, and there is a girl in the above picture. So we will match. So this puzzle will come here, okay, and then this puzzle will be completed, okay. So you have to use your mind. You have to see which picture can fit here, okay. It's a very interesting problem solving activity which you can practice it on your own. All right, promise me? Very good. Okay, class, that's it for today. We have learned how to use your mind and solve the puzzle. That's it for today's class. I will see you in the next class. Till then, bye bye class. Happy learning. Take care.